Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technology Prashant. I am the host Vikrant Gautam. In this video, I am showing that how you can recover your disabled Instagram account and how to fix your disabled Instagram account and re-disable your Instagram account. Yeah, this is true. We have the solution of the disabled Instagram account. If your account will be suspended or upload your ID showing or disabled, or is there any mistake on your account and your account is permanently deactivated and disabled, and now you want to solve your issue. So let's start this video. But in this video we will start the proper process in the video to how you can recover your disabled Instagram account. But one option and requirement is this: if you are not subscribed this channel, so let's subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and like this video. So let's start this video.
Kind of like the.
We are anonymous. We are legion.
Was weißt du über?
So guys, in this video, as I mentioned before, we list that how you can recover your disabled Instagram account and how to fix disabled Instagram account 2024 as a step-by-step process. Yeah. So first of all, we cover up that how which mistake you take on your account, so your account will be disabled in this time. So let's start this video. So first of all, you take the mistake on your account like 18 plus content share with your messages on your friends or your partner or someone to share the 18 plus content on regularly, and then your account will be disabled permanently from the Instagram handle. Second is if you take the fake followers on your account and then your account is also being disabled. But the last option is if you didn't take any mistake on your account but your account is permanently deactivated and disabled. So now I will tell you how you can recover your disabled Instagram account. But first I will mention that in this video sponsored by InstaHit. InstaHit is India's first Instagram related problem solution platform. In this video I will showing that you can search on Google InstaHit and you can search the InstaHit and open the website, and you show that there has a multiple subscription plan for your Instagram, security plans for your disabled, and many more problem solution in Get. You can click on service option and click on your problem and then book a call. Click on book a call option. You can book your consultation appointment. When appointment is booked, the InstaHit team will be shortly connect with you in just 5 to 10 minutes. So let's just visit InstaHit website if you face your account is disabled. Okay. So let's start, and the next is I will show you how you can solve your problem of the disabled. So let's start this video again. First of all, try to option that you can contact to Meta Pro team. Yeah, I will tell you how you can contact Meta Pro team through Facebook and through Instagram. I will tell you the best experience of the option. You can use a Facebook option as well. You can create a business page and then run an ad on any post, and then you get the option of Meta Pro team. Okay, but the main is an important option is you can open the Instagram account and then purchase a blue tick verification badge, and then you get the enhanced support option. When you apply all the methods, then you take the step-by-step methods on the Instagram blue tick and then click on the setting button and click help and center option. You get the enhanced support. I will tell you this is the screenshot method to how you can put the paragraph on this. Hello Meta team, I am the user of the Instagram and I am 100% sure that there is no mistake on my account and my account has been disabled. So can you please reactivate my account, and can you please submit a request to Instagram internal team to manually review my disabled Instagram account. I will tell you why I mentioned this phase. Can you please submit a request to internal team to manual review my Instagram account? Yes, manual review. Why? Because when Instagram is disabled, so there is no manual person disabled your account. It is a chat bot or as a artificial intelligence bot is disabled your account for the circumstances and the server issue. But in this case, when you talk with Meta Pro team and you ask them to please submit a request to internal team to manually review my disabled Instagram account, then they will request and they will submit a request from behalf of you, and they will give you a reference number and the case ID, and then you can also wait a 1-2 weeks, and then you get response on your mail to your account has been recovered. But if in case your account is not recovered, you can check out again and again, and you can chat with Meta Pro team multiple times, like 1 or 2 times. But if your account is not recovered after the all the chats and the mails and everything, so it's mean Instagram is not available, or it's not able to recover your account, because is there any really circumstances mistake on your account, like 18 plus content share or any other issue is being mentioned on the account. But as I mentioned before, you can, if your account is suspended or disabled, or is there any chance, you can visit the InstaHit website as well. But as I mentioned before, you can talk with Meta Pro team. They have all the problem solution in just one click, so you can watch every video every and in step by step. So let's end this video. Now I will tell you how you can solve your entire disable Instagram problem in just 1 second. So just subscribe this channel and like on this video, and I will show you, and I will give you the best experience on the account. But wait a second, this is my Instagram handle. You can see that InstaHit X Vikrant, this is my username. You can check on video description, you can get the link, and you can follow us and message us. I will tell you, and I will also help you regarding your issue, and we will also help you, and my team will help you regarding your personally solve your issue step by step. But remember, term and condition is apply on the same section. So let's end this video, and we will talk to you in the next video. But remember, please subscribe this channel and also like this video. And if you have any question or queries and any recommendation on this video related, or any issue you face on your Instagram account, just drop a comment on this video. Take care. Goodbye.
बहुत तकलीफ होती है जब आप योग्य हो और लोग आपकी योग्यता ना पहचाने।
देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं।